Once again, the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas Senatoriables topped another pre-election senatorial preferential survey from Tangere. Our Ben Manalo has the full details.
With the May 2025 national elections fast approaching, the electorate is again faced with one of the most important decisions that affect their lives, the selection of worthy candidates to lead the country. So what's the pulse of our countrymen and their standards in selecting candidates to vote for right now?
Yung matulungan yung mga mahihirap, yung mga pangako nila sana matupad naman. Ganun po yung hiniling namin sa mga tatakbo ng kandidato.
Siyempre po yung hindi po nangungurap, yung mapagmahal po sa bayan at kaya niya pong ipaglaban ang mamamayan.
Mapagmahal din po sa mamayan, kailangan po nilang matulungan yung taong bayan.
In the latest pre-election senatorial preferential survey of Tangere, several administration slates are in the lead pack. Erwin and Ben Tulfo are both in the first place. Also in the top 12 and top 13 are Tito Soto, Bong Revilla Jr., Pia Cayetano, Benher Abalos, Manny Pacquiao, Lito Lapid, and Ping Lacson. Based on the survey, some of the important characteristics of the candidate that voters are looking for are honesty, reliability, integrity, and God-fearing. Education, employment, and food security are the most important matters voters consider in choosing their candidates. While social media is still the people's main source for information on the candidates. The survey was conducted from March 11 to March 14 on 2,400 participants from different parts of the Philippines through a mobile-based respondent application. The survey has a 1.96 margin of error. BN Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.